Welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are baking a soft, moist and flavorful apple pound cake, a perfect treat for tea time or dessert. First take 2 apples. Cut into small pieces. Pound cakes got their name because they were originally made with a pound each of flour, sugar, butter and eggs. Apples add natural sweetness and keep the cake extra moist. This type of cake is popular in both European and American kitchen. Pour in a bowl. Mix with 2 teaspoons brown sugar. Brown sugar gives a slight caramel flavor when baked with apple. In a bowl, take 3 eggs. Make sure eggs are at room temperature before beating. And beat for 1 minute. Add half cup sugar and beat until the sugar dissolves. Now add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. And half cup oil. Mix well. Now sieve together 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Add gradually to the mixture and fold gently. Always sieve dry ingredients for a lighter fluffy texture. Add 1/4 cup milk and mix into a smooth batter. Grease a 7-inch mold with oil, place baking paper and pour in the batter. Spread the apple pieces on the top of the batter. Place a pan with wire stand. Preheat the pan for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the mold inside. Preheat the pan well to ensure even baking. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes until cooked perfectly. And there you have it, a soft golden apple pound cake that smells and tastes heavenly. Apples are rich in fiber and antioxidants. Eggs provide protein and help with structure. Using oil instead of butter makes the cake moist with less saturated fat. You can reduce sugar and enjoy it as a lighter dessert option. Would you enjoy this cake warm or chilled? Which fruit cake should I try next? Banana, mango or orange? Do you prefer pound cakes with tea or as a dessert after dinner? Don't forget to subscribe to Enovin Cake and Cookies for more sweet recipes.